The Santos was born from a need for practical elegance, where form was shaped by function long before it became a design icon. Cartier's approach begins with order and predictability, ensuring that every subsequent step builds on stability rather than improvisation.
Stainless steel is selected for durability and consistency, providing a reliable foundation for a watch designed to be worn daily rather than reserved for ceremony.
Material verification at this stage prevents long-term distortion, ensuring the square case maintains its geometry through years of use.
Here, raw material begins its transformation, not through aggressive shaping, but through controlled, incremental processes.
The Santos case relies on proportion rather than ornament, with every surface engineered to remain visually stable when viewed from any angle.
Maintaining equal tension across straight edges is more demanding than shaping curves, requiring constant verification throughout machining.
The square form leaves no room for visual error, making verification at this stage essential before finishing begins. The human eye excels at finding the slightest imperfections, especially along straight lines and planar surfaces. Exposed screws are treated as structural elements, reinforcing the Santos identity while serving a functional purpose. Contrasting finishes are used sparingly to preserve clarity rather than visual excess.
Residue removal here protects both aesthetics and long-term sealing performance.
Stabilization is crucial at this stage to prevent any micro-marking before the assembly progresses. The Santos automatic movement is assembled for reliability and ease of wear, rather than extreme complication. Simplicity in architecture is key. It supports long-term serviceability and ensures consistent performance over decades. Efficient energy transmission is prioritized over visual complexity. Dependable timekeeping remains central to the Santos philosophy.
Automatic winding enhances everyday practicality without adding unnecessary mass.
Regulation ensures consistency rather than pushing extreme tolerances.
And now, the heart of the timepiece is ready for its meticulously crafted enclosure. Square geometry demands exact positioning to maintain visual balance.
Securing interfaces, torque applied evenly. Even fastening contributes to long-term durability.
Roman numerals reinforce legibility while anchoring the Santos in Cartier's design language. And the balance of the numerals within the frame. It's about clarity, precision, and the overall aesthetic harmony. Even in motion, legibility remains absolutely uncompromised.
The sealing must accommodate both water resistance and structural integrity.
The Santos bracelet system emphasizes versatility and ease of use. This quick-release system allows effortless adaptation without tools. Its integration preserves both comfort and visual continuity, a hallmark of our design philosophy. This rigorous testing confirms each timepiece's suitability for daily wear, ensuring reliability in various conditions.
The stability we're observing here validates the crucial design decisions made in the preliminary phases.
We now run final regulation checks to confirm performance consistency after full assembly.
A timepiece must perfectly balance function and form, each element in harmony.
A timepiece that not only tells time, but tells a story of innovation and enduring style.
The Santos remains defined by practical elegance, engineered to be worn, used, and trusted every day.
Quality control at this stage is not about finding faults, but about confirming consistency across every finished piece. The square case leaves no margin for visual imbalance, making this inspection as much about proportion as precision. These screws serve both functional and visual roles, reinforcing the Santos identity while maintaining structural stability.
Comfort and usability are verified through repetition rather than assumption.
Daily wear scenarios are simulated to confirm durability beyond static testing. Stability here confirms the robustness of both design and material choice. The sealing performance is verified one last time before final approval. Traceability forms part of long-term trust between maker and wearer.
This pause allows confirmation that performance remains unchanged after stress.
Legibility is a defining principle, not just a styling choice. Approval here represents collective validation rather than individual judgment.
This reflects the same discipline we apply to the manufacturing of our products.
The refined elegance is matched only by its unwavering precision. Readiness for delivery follows the same structured process as production.
And that same level of consistency that our master watchmakers hold so dear in the workshop, that's what you'll find here too.
Function shaped the design long before it became iconic.
Comfort and clarity define the real-world experience.
Interaction remains intuitive and unobtrusive. Notice how clarity persists, even in motion. Documenting our history this way ensures that the story remains consistent for every generation that follows. Its true value isn't in its newness, but in its ability to endure, to remain a testament to what we can achieve. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in your daily wear. A statement of precision and a testament to enduring style. Design endures when it is rooted in purpose, a timeless echo of intent. Precision through restraint.
The Santos remains an expression of practical elegance, engineered to be worn with confidence, day after day.